Good day, this is Harshit, your tech host for today. With all that is new in this emerging tech world, MSI has introduced its exclusive laptop, the Stealth 16 Mercedes AMG Motorsport in the Indian market. The laptop offers opulent design, exceptional performance, and thrilling gaming experience. The limited edition laptop, priced at Rs 2,89,990, features a 13th Gen Intel Core i9 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 GPUs. Additionally, the laptop incorporates a 16:10 4K OLED display panel that enriches visual immersion. MSI has introduced its exclusive laptop, the Stealth 16 Mercedes AMG Motorsport in the Indian market. Dutch Shield Infotech organized a two-day hands-on security workshop for BSNL engineers in Kolkata, focusing on cybersecurity education and risk management strategies. The company's end-to-end platform based on AI and machine learning aims to increase India's resilience and combat cyber threats through hands-on training. Dutch Shield's diverse cybersecurity products provide comprehensive threat intelligence and security expertise. Microsoft has introduced an AI-powered Bing search engine and Edge browser to improve online search and browsing experiences. These tools provide more accurate search results, comprehensive answers, interactive chat capabilities, and content generation, acting as AI co-pilots for users. The enhanced Bing offers an upgraded search experience, interactive chat for intricate searches, and content generation for tasks like email drafting and quiz composing. The Edge browser has been updated with AI capabilities including chat and compose, allowing users to request summaries, make comparisons, and receive help in content composing. The next-gen OpenAI model and Microsoft Prometheus model are key technical breakthroughs ensuring relevant, timely, and secure results. The unified user experience offers a unified interface for search, browser, and chat, ensuring transparency and a unified user experience. Next up, we have the global supply chain for powerful chips used in AI models is facing a shortage, affecting businesses and leading platforms. Microsoft's annual report identifies the availability of graphics processing units (GPUs) has a potential risk factor for investors. GPUs are crucial hardware for training and deploying AI algorithms. Microsoft's decision to expand data center locations and increase server capacity highlights the critical bottleneck for AI access. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman suggested that the company's chatbot tools is struggling to keep up with user requests, but the company is committed to ensuring enough capacity for users. The issue may sound reminiscent of the pandemic-era shortages in consumer electronics, where manufacturing delays, labor shortages, and competing demand from cryptocurrency miners contributed to the scarce supply of GPUs. PayPal has launched a US dollar stablecoin, becoming the first major financial technology firm to embrace digital currencies for payments and transfers. Stablecoins, which have been around for years, have yet to successfully make headway into the mainstream consumer payments ecosystem. PayPal's announcement reflects confidence in the troubled industry, which has faced regulatory headwinds and high-profile collapses for economies, including Britain and the EU have established rules for stablecoins with the EU's policies set to take effect in June 2024. PayPal's stablecoin, PayPal USD, will be issued by Paxos Trust and will gradually be available in the US. PayPal's brand name and association with crypto make the stablecoin launch significant. Visa plans to use cryptocurrency for payment network transactions in 2021. A Noida-based businessman had 1 crore of his money stolen as a result of a cybersecurity flaw. Inspired by Netflix money heist, the thieves used WhatsApp and Telegram to get in touch with victims and demanded payment. After a businessman filed a FIR, two persons, Ritesh Chaturvedi and Rishabh Jain, were detained. They employed a virtual private network, the dark web, SIM cards, and OTP bypass in addition to hacking the complainant company's email ID. The accused transferred Rs 1 crore into 4 bank accounts, converted funds into cryptocurrencies, and joined WhatsApp and Telegram groups using fake SIM cards and mobile numbers. Technological assets were confiscated and the first information report was filed under Section 420 of the Indian Penal Code. DNA data storage could replace large data banks and reduce climate impact in the long run. Blockchain technologies offer a secure solution, but their climate impact makes them less desirable. Data storage has remained unchanged since the 1950s, using binary 0 and 1 as its foundation. As of 2021, there are approximately 10 trillion gigabytes of data consuming resources like space, climate control, fuel, magnetic tape, and metal. Bioengineering is exploring the use of DNA for data storage, offering a size advantage and accurate prediction of DNA sequencing and replication. Although expensive and time-consuming, DNA storage is potentially more cost, energy, and time efficient for archival purposes. Asus IoT has launched the Tinkerboard 3N series, an ARM-based single-board computer designed for the industrial Internet of Things era. This versatile NUC-sized SBC offers easy system integration, adaptability, and expandability, supporting Linux, Debian, Yocto, and Android operating systems. Its optimized thermal design simplifies embedded application deployment and offers superior performance and graphic processing. The series is available in three flavors: Tinkerboard 3N Plus, Tinkerboard 3N, and Tinkerboard 3N Lite, and will be available in India starting September 2023. Asus, a VR app that connects standalone headsets like Meta Quest 2, Quest Pro, HTC Vive Focus 3, and Pico 4 to desktop computers, is working on its own VR headset. Big Screen VR, the developer of Quest, also made its own VR headset, the Big Screen Beyond. Global data reports that quantum computers could revolutionize oil and gas computations, as they can store data and perform computations using quantum physics properties. The oil and gas industry is experimenting with quantum computing devices to gain a first mover advantage. Annie and Pascal are collaborating to develop high-performance computing solutions for the energy sector, while Saudi Aramco and IBM aims to establish an innovation hub. BP and Total Energies are also collaborating to develop new quantum algorithms for carbon capture, utilization, and storage technologies. Global Vari Energies Limited is hosting a freedom sale on 15 and 16 August, promoting solar power adoption and a sustainable future. The sale offers discount of up to 30% on high-quality solar solutions, free replacements, and a dedicated team for selecting suitable products. Mr. Hitesh Doshi emphasizes the importance of solar energy in reducing India's carbon footprint and ensuring a sustainable future. Vital Ocean has launched Digital Ocean Spaces in Bangalore, catering to global small businesses' object storage needs. The storage solution offers excellent performance, S3 compatibility, and secure transfers. It also helps with regulatory compliance. Digital Ocean acquisition of Paperspace expand its AI ML application testing, development, and deployment offerings. Disabled auto rickshaw driver in Bangalore lost Rs 23,400 to a woman who cheated him after making a fake payment using UPI. Shivkumar VH, who lost his right leg to gangrene during the pandemic, was on his way to meet a friend when a woman asked him to drop her near PES college. The woman overheard the conversation and asked for his PhonePe number. When they reached Nayandhaili, the driver collected the money from his friend, who then asked for the cash to pay her college fee. The woman acted as if she was making the payment and took the money from the driver. The driver, who lost his right leg to gangrene, filed a police complaint against the woman and registered a case against her knee. Akamai Technologies State of the Internet report highlights the evolving ransomware landscape in Asia Pacific and Japan, revealing a 204% increase in total ransomware victims between Q1 2022 and Q1 2023. Ransomware groups are targeting file exfiltration, making file backup solutions insufficient. Logbit dominates the ransomware landscape, accounting for 51% of attacks, with SMEs being the majority of victims. Honor's Magic V2 is set to launch at the event with a unique design that measures only 9.9 mm when closed and 4.7 mm when opened. It weighs only 237 grams, making it less than other foldable in the market and bar phones. The foldable features a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, a 120Hz AMOLED display, and a large 5000 mAh battery with 66-watt charging support. The company confirmed the existence of a flip phone during a recent media roundtable. Thanks for tuning in. This is Harshit signing off. Subscribe to IT Voice for all things tech, from gadget reviews to industry insights and latest tech news. Honors
चूक मत जाना, अभी भी समय है। इस वीडियो को अंत तक देखिए। आपने .भारत डोमेन ले लिया? नहीं तो ले लीजिए। क्यों? क्योंकि बहुभाषीय भाषा के अंदर अब यह डोमेन अवेलेबल है। आप अपना व्यापार बढ़ाकर भारत के अंदर 5 ट्रिलियन इकोनॉमी के अंदर भागीदार बन सकते हैं, लोकल व्यापार बढ़ा सकते हैं, ऑनलाइन वालों से आप अपने क्षेत्र से कंपटीशन कर सकते हैं। आज ही बुक करें .भारत डोमेन। चूक